Alright, hey everybody. I just got back from my big box store and I picked up a Husqvarna 125 BVX 28cc handheld blower and vacuum. So I'm going to do a little unboxing of it and show you guys how it comes and what it looks like. So I already cut the tape off the box to make this video a little easier for myself. But we got a couple tubes, some tubes inside of tubes. There's one for the blower. That's for the vacuum. Got another one for the blower and another one for the vacuum. And we got another one for the blower. Alright, get those. Let's get all the blower stuff and the vacuum stuff separated. Alright, what do we got here? We got some instructions. Well, might look at those. We got the little toolkit and belt inside there, and the oil. We got a bag for the vacuum, for the bagger. And we got the blower and another piece in there. So that's kind of stuck in there. Let's just pull this right out. Okay, I'm back. So it took a little bit of finessing to get that open because there's a little latch there and a pry mark there. So, but you can see some teeth in here. We'll grind up the leaves as you suck them into your bag. They're sitting over there that I'm not going to open up because I'm probably not going to use the bagger. But we'll close that gently. So on your section over here, there's a little lock here. And when you open this up, there's an unlock and a lock as my camera goes in and out of focus. So you just grab the suction tube and you line up the marks. And then you twist this over to where it says locked. So now it's locked in place. So we're going to spin this around here because I noticed something else over here. So there's a arrow and a screw and a little hole. There's also a arrow on this tube. So you're going to line up the arrows. Slide that down until it's all the way locked in. Right now it's not all the way locked in, and I'm not going to push that in together because, like I said, I'm not going to use the vacuum portion of it, but you'll line that up so that gap's gone. That screw hole that screw is supposed to go into, that screw actually does come on the kit right there, right in between the socket wrench and the oil. So, like I said, I'm not going to use that, so I'm not putting that on. But this other piece, just like we had that little hook end on the blower piece right here, there's a hook end on this. So this will also go, let's push this over. This will also go in here. Let's finagle that, get the right camera angle. So that goes in there like that, and then you'll screw this screw down, or tighten that screw down so it's tight. So that's, my friends, is how you set up the bagger. Minus putting the bag on, which, like I said, I'm not going to open that up because I'm not going to use. But I'm going to configure this back to being a blower, and I will show you how it works after I top it off with some gas and get it running. Okay, here it is. I have taken and filled it up full of gas. I had it running just a little bit ago just so it's easier to start, but I will start this and run it and show you how it works. Like I said, always wear your safety glasses, ear protection, gloves, and make sure you're doing what all the safety precautions tell you to do. So, but here's my little demonstration. Thanks for watching my bullheaded builds, and I'll catch you next time.